Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone are surviving well. So you know how it goes. A good EDC setup isn't just about knives, lights, or multi-tools. A real setup's got something on the wrist that pulls it all together. Today we're taking a look at a piece that doesn't need a battery, a charger, or a phone to do its job. It's mechanical, it's clever, and it's built right here in the United States. This is the Vero X Realtree Tide Tracker in Compass Black. Before diving into the watch, let's talk about the people behind it, because that's a big deal in this community. Vero is a small American watch brand based in Portland, Oregon, started in 2015 with one goal: to bring craftsmanship and accountability back home. Their watches are assembled, regulated, and serviced right here in the United States by a small team who stand behind every piece. So when you buy a Vero, you're not just buying a watch, you're supporting American hands that still build gear right here. The presentation is definitely very solid, minimal but thoughtful. You get that Realtree camo canvas strap that ties perfectly into the outdoor EDC vibe, and that Compass Black dial really is sharp. It's not flashy, but it's definitely the kind of watch that makes you look confident. And it looks great next to titanium, brass, or stainless in your EDC carry. The case measures out at 39.5 millimeters across and about 11 millimeters thick. Slim enough for daily wear, rugged enough for the field. The bead blasted stainless steel finish keeps it low profile, and the Realtree strap adds a touch of character without being loud. Flat sapphire crystal, 120 meters of water resistance, and Super Nova Lume means it's ready for use, not just a display. That's the outer 120 click unidirectional bezel, paired with an inner rotating tide bezel, working together to track the tides. Tides shift about 51 minutes each lunar day, and this watch lets you track them mechanically. No sensors, no apps. You set it once off your local tide chart, and you can follow the pattern for up to 14 days. For anyone who fishes, surfs, camps near the coast, or just appreciates gear that works with nature, it's a functional tool that fits right into an EDC philosophy. Useful, durable, and independent. Inside is the Seiko NH38A automatic movement. Proven, serviceable, and easy to regulate. It ticks, hand winds, and runs about 41 hours on a full wind. Screw down crowns, 120 meter water resistance, and Vero's in-house regulation means that this thing can take a hit, go underwater, and come back ticking. At just under 40 millimeters, it disappears on the wrist. Comfortable, balanced, and ready for whatever the day throws at you. You can swap out the strap for a rubber one if you're planning on spending time in the water, but the camo canvas strap looks just right at home next to a piece of titanium EDC gear or an aluminum pen. It's that blend of form and function that makes good EDC gear so satisfying. Everything serves a purpose. With this watch, you know you're getting a piece of gear that's assembled, regulated, and warranted in the United States, built by a small American company that still cares about the details. We're talking about supporting USA-made blades, pouches, and pens. Watches deserve the same appreciation. Vero's doing it the right way. Small batch, serviceable, and built to last. The Vero X Realtree Tide Tracker isn't just a watch, it's a tool that tracks nature, tells time, and adds capability to your EDC loadout. It's rugged, functional, and it's made by people who care about doing things right. Let me know down in the comments if you would add a mechanical tide tracker to your carry or stick with your smartwatch. If you want to see a full lineup of USA-built EDC gear, let me know and I'll put one together. And as always, I want to thank you for stopping in and checking out this video. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I'll see you next time.